Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Brevo to send your first email campaign from scratch. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your Brevo account, understand the dashboard, and create a complete email campaign ready to send. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link down below in the description. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now, let's get started. Brevo, formerly known as Sendinblue, is a powerful all-in-one marketing platform that helps you communicate with your audience through email, SMS, WhatsApp, and automation tools. It's designed for beginners and professionals who want to manage marketing campaigns, handle contact lists, and track performance without needing complex setups or advanced coding skills. With Brevo, you can create email campaigns, manage contacts, design landing pages, and even automate your workflows to send personalized messages at the right time. It's one of the best choices for businesses that want everything in one place: CRM, email marketing, and automation. To begin using Brevo, you first need to create an account. Open your preferred browser and search for Brevo. From the search results, click on the official Brevo website link. Once the homepage opens, navigate to the top right or left corner and click on the Sign Up Free button. After you click, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here you will see three options: sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, or sign up with email. For this tutorial, we'll choose to sign up with email. Enter your email address and password, then click on the Create Account button to continue. Brevo will send you a verification email. Go to your inbox, open the email, and click the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, you'll be redirected to a setup page where Brevo will ask a few details like your company name, website, and business category. Fill them in and proceed. When you complete this setup, you'll be taken straight to the Brevo dashboard, which is the main area for managing everything: campaigns, lists, automations, and more. Once you've created your account, you'll land on the Brevo dashboard. Now, this is your control center. It's where you can access and manage every feature that Brevo offers. Take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll find a vertical menu that includes tabs like Home, CRM, Marketing, Automation, Transactional, and Conversations. The Home section gives you an overview of your account activity, recent campaigns, and performance analytics. The CRM tab is where you manage contacts, companies, and deals. It helps you organize leads and keep track of every interaction. The marketing section is where all of the creative work happens. From here, you can build campaigns, create landing pages, and also design forms. The automation section allows you to create workflows that automatically send emails or perform actions based on specific triggers. The transactional tab is used for system generated emails like order confirmations or password resets. And lastly, the conversations section lets you connect with your customers in real time through live chat or shared inbox features. Now that you understand the dashboard, let's move on to the most important part: sending your first email campaign in Brevo. To send that first email campaign, start by going to the left side menu and clicking on the Marketing tab. Once you click, it will expand to show more options like campaigns, landing pages, forms, statistics, and templates. Click on Campaigns. This will open the campaign management page. If you've already created campaigns before, you will see them listed here. But if you're doing this for the first time, your campaign list will be empty. To create a new campaign, navigate to the top right corner and click on the Create Campaign button. A pop-up window will appear titled Create a Campaign. Here you will see multiple options like email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push. Since we're creating an email campaign, select the email option. Now you'll be taken to the Create an Email Campaign page. On this page, you'll see two options: regular and A/B test. For your first campaign, simply keep it set to regular. Next, you'll see a field labeled campaign name. Enter a name that helps you identify your campaign easily, such as welcome email or product update. Below that, you'll find the tags section. Now, tags help you organize your campaigns into groups, but this step is optional. You can skip it for now if you like. After this, you'll see a folder section. This helps you organize campaigns into folders. Now, if you already have one, select it here. If not, you can skip this too. Now, scroll down slightly and click on the Create Campaign button. Once you click, you'll be redirected to a new page that confirms four main sections: sender, recipients, subject, and design. Now let's go through each of these one by one. The first section is the sender section. Here is where you'll set up who your email is coming from. Brevo will automatically display the default sender email address you used when creating your account. If you want to change it, click on the Manage Sender button. You can edit your name, update your sender address, or add a new one. Next, move to the recipient section and click on the Add Recipients button. This is where you choose who will receive your email. You can select from your contact lists, segments, or individual contacts. For example, if you've already uploaded a list of subscribers, simply select it here. Once you've chosen your audience, click Save to confirm. Now scroll down to the Subject section and click Add Subject. This is one of the most important parts of your campaign because it's the first thing people see in their inbox. Write a clear and engaging subject line. For example, if you're sending a welcome email, you can use something like, "Welcome to our community, let's get started." Below the subject field, you'll find the preview text option. This is the short line that appears next to your subject in most inboxes. Use it to add a short teaser about your email content, such as, "Here's what to expect next from us." After adding both your subject and preview text, click Save. Now it's time to design your email. Click on the Start Designing button to begin. Now a pop-up window will appear here giving you two choices: create from scratch or use a template. For this tutorial, we'll use a ready-made template. On the left side, click on Basic Templates. You'll now see a collection of pre-designed templates for different types of emails, such as newsletters, product launches, and announcements. Let's say that you want to promote a new product. In that case, select the Sell a Product template and click Use Template. After you click, you'll be redirected to the Brevo email editor. This is where you can customize and design your campaign visually. On the left-hand side, you'll see three main sections: Content, Style, and Aura AI. Under Content, there are three tabs: Blocks, Sections, and Saved. In the Blocks tab, you'll find elements like title, text, image, button, logo, video, social, HTML, and payment link. You can drag and drop any of these blocks into your email layout on the right side. If you're using a template, start by customizing what's already there. Click on the main title and change it to your own. Replace the logo with your company's logo. Now you can upload your logo directly from your computer. Next, click on the image section to replace the default image with your product photo. You can either upload a new image or choose one from your image library. To edit the text, click on the text block and type your content directly inside the editor. You can customize the font size, color, and alignment to make it match your brand style. If you want to add a button, drag the button block into the layout, edit the button text to say something like "Shop Now" or "Learn More," then add your destination link in the URL field. You can also adjust the button's color and shape from the editing panel. If you want to add social media icons, drag the social block and add links to your Facebook, Instagram, or your LinkedIn profiles. To make your design look even better, switch to the Style tab on the left sidebar. From here, you can change the background color, adjust the width of your email content, and choose the font family that best fits your brand. Take your time, make sure that your design looks clean and matches your message. Once your design is complete, click on the Preview and Test button there at the top right. This will allow you to see how your email will appear on both desktop and mobile devices. And if everything looks good, click Save and Quit. Your email will now be saved and ready for sending. And after saving, you'll be taken back to the campaign summary page where you can review all of the details that you've added: sender, recipients, subject, and design. If everything looks correct, you can either schedule your campaign or preview and test. To preview and test your email, click on the Preview and Test button. To schedule it for later, click Schedule and choose the date and time when you want your campaign to be delivered. That's it. You've just learned how to use Brevo to send your first email campaign. From creating an account to designing and sending your email, the whole process is simple and rather beginner-friendly. And if you want to take your email marketing to the next level, don't forget to grab 50% off of Brevo's starter and business plans for 3 months using the link in the description. Plus, you'll get my full Brevo course, which will help you become a pro even faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more detailed guides on Brevo and other marketing tools. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.